Hello, Taran. So I don't know if you are familiar with what's going on in the Jamaica resort or Jamaica area in that part of the world. So Matthew, the Hurricane Matthew, threatens to destroy Jamaica. Jamaica, the most powerful hurricane in the Atlantic in the last 9 years, going to Jamaica. Wind speeds is 260 km per hour, which is enough to destroy the house. BBC report. So on, so on. I don't know if you know anything about this. The people who are probably from the United States, Mexico, and Puerto Rico, and all these states around, also Mexico, are probably familiar with this. And I'm going to show you now something. I mean, really fantastic. And I don't know what shall I say. What should I say? I mean, after this. So here is the Kingston, Jamaica. Jamaica. Here it is. These are the coordinates of Kingston, Jamaica. So I can blow also this a bit out so you can see it. Now, do you see this two orbits which is passing at 9 in the evening, which will be 1400, so 2 p.m. at afternoon in Jamaica. 2 p.m. 1400 hours. 7 hours, it's a different. This is the moment of the everyday moment in Kingston, Jamaica. So they have this situation at 2 o'clock at afternoon. So I will go forward now, and I go back now. And now this is 11 o'clock in the morning, let's say noon in Jamaica. Now watch this. I will slow down and I will show you how these two orbits are passing Kingston, Jamaica. Watch this. So this is 2 o'clock at afternoon, between 1 and 2 o'clock at afternoon. Daily this is passing here. Now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to put it backward, and now I'm going to remove these orbits, and guess to whom belong these orbits. You won't believe this. One of these orbits belongs to the Comet Hill, which caused catastrophic earthquake in New Zealand, Italy, in China, in Russia, everywhere around the world. This orbit is so destructive that this is not normal. It's in the Draco constellation, which means that Croatia is in very big danger. Croatia, ex-part of Yugoslavia, ex-territory of whole Yugoslavia, Austria, Italy, Germany, and whole Middle Europe is in danger from that comet. You already see that what happened in Romania, what happened in Greece, what happened in Italy. This is all from this comet. And now I will remove this comet. Watch this. Here's the orbit. I will remove now the orbit. And you see, this is the orbit of Comet Hill, which passing through Jamaica. Now, I will remove Comet, the second one. You cannot believe which one it is, but this is, just a moment, not this one. This is the Comet Catalina V4, believe it or not. Here it is. Catalina V4. I will remove the orbit. Watch this. This is the Catalina V4. I will put orbit back, and I will put this orbit back here. Hill, this is the lemon, and Hill, it's here. Back orbit, here it is. People, do you see what is going on with these orbits of these comets? Because these orbits are not functioning only in that way that these orbits are under the high voltage. They are also doing in the opposite, because there's like this meridian and parallels. This is the way that these orbits are operating, like a net, you see the cross here. This is what I'm showing to you, a cross. They are crossing this area. So now when these two orbits are in relation with some planets, other comets, or a moon, then you have terrible consequences above the area where these objects are. So here we are, and we got this, what is happened to this area. And I have some other pictures which shows exactly what is going on. You see that here? You see, I don't know if I can show you this like this, but do you see the similarity between this here and how these moves go upward. So I will go now forward and watch how this is moving forward. Okay, you see that here? And now watch. So if I go backward, then this is going to be like this. Okay? Here it is. Watch this. Exactly the same. It's a part of a circle. Just like this one, it's moving like this. You see that here? So this is the moving of this comet. Watch this here. And watch this comet here. And I can go forward and backward. Forward. You see? It's going like this. Thank you very much for your attention, and stay tuned.